Core system libraries failing because of the DISM Core Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. To start our troubleshooting for DISM Core Library, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the DISM Core Library, the Deployment Image Servicing and Management DISM Core. It manages the unmanaged localized orchestration of system imaging, driver injection, and localized OS repair. If corrupted, DISM and online and cleanup image commands will fail. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. This error typically indicates corruption within the Windows system core. I recommend launching Command Prompt with administrative rights and running sfc/scan now to automatically replace missing or compromised files, such as DISM Core Library DLL. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the DISM Core Library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Keep in mind that DISM Core Library DLL must be properly registered with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping the file into a folder rarely fixes the root cause of the error. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. A structured registry approach is outlined in the software linked below, including DISM Core Library Management references. To support our technical team and receive updates on DISM Core Library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.